In this video, I will show you how to download and install Steam on your Windows PC or laptop. Steam is a digital distribution platform for video games and software, and it is the most popular game platform in the world. With Steam, you can buy, download, and play games from a huge library of titles. The installation process is very simple. You will be asked to select your language and the location where you want to install Steam. Once you have made your selections, click on the Install button. Steam will then be installed on your computer.